Hey guys, welcome to another video of Liam YouTube, and right now we are playing Minecraft with my cousin Sneaky Sunder, aka known as Brady. Brady, how dare you? No. And if you're wondering who's talking right now, that's Brady. Oh God, please don't kill me.
I got you now, little boy.
Seriously.
How many hearts do you have left?
1.5.
1.5.
I swear.
Well, you deserve this.
No! Get! Damn it! Yeah!
Oh, you wanna fight?
Wait, I thought you said keep inventory.
No.
Give me back all my stuff. No, seriously, just give me back my map and my wood. Please.
Hopefully no one trolls you.
Okay, seriously, Brady? This is seriously not
Okay,
funny.
fine. Sorry. Here you go.
Give it now, Mace Windu, or else I take that lightsaber.
I don't have a lightsaber. First of all, Mace Windu is one of the most powerful beings in the Star Wars universe.
Yes, I know that. I know that.
Except for he died. Because he was not good enough.
How dare you? He was very good. Okay, so,
he was not as powerful as Yoda.
Got that point.
As Super Yoda.
Okay, so...
Get trolled. No, I'm sorry. Please don't.
Okay, fine. Okay, now we should...
Mercy.
Okay.
I'm begging you for mercy.
Oh, good, you found a mine. You found a mine.
Would you please have mercy?
Yes, I have mercy, okay. So, guys, we might do, some of this off camera, like the building of the house. We might do that off camera, so, yeah. But, like, that doesn't mean that we're going to do the whole thing off camera.
Die.
We're just gonna, like, make the house off camera. But we'll show you what's, like, we'll show you in the next video of this. And this is called... Wait, what's this word called again? Minecraft
Adventures.
Yep. Sticking for this. And this is Minecraft Adventures. So, sticking for the series, guys. So, yeah. Okay, I'm making some doors. So, making this pickaxe. Okay, here we go.
This game is unrealistic. Look at these horrible graphics. No.
Wait, you had that much? That's what you get. That's what you get for saying bad. That's what you get for saying bad graphics. Now, get your stuff in the hole. Get your stuff in the hole.
Okay.
Go get it. Fetch, doggy.
I can think of a billion.
Oh god.
Never mind. No.
Okay, so. Okay, I got a stone sword now.
This game. Look at this.
How dare you say that? I hit you back in the hole. That is
no, I do not want to be in the hole.
Nah.
It is not my home.
So where should we build?
Why is there a polar bear here?
I'm such a noob. I just fell in the hole. Wait, a polar bear.
In this ice region.
Where?
I'm gonna follow it.
Where's the
Oh,
polar
I
bear?
killed it.
You're so dumb. Oh, I killed it.
To get wool.
Wait, it gives wool?
I'm kidding.
Okay. I was about to say kill more. No offense to like people who love polar bears. This is just a game.
They are horrible. They are horrible creatures like this horrible game.
Zip it.
Okay, I'll zip it.
Zip it, less angry Rosie O'Donnell.
Rosie O'Donnell, now you're getting political.
Oh my god, you think negative.
Rosie O'Donnell is negative herself.
Okay.
No, I'm being pursued by a skeleton.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna die.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. He almost had a heart attack. It sounded like
No.
It sounded like you were. Really?
What?
Really? You just logged me out of the game.
What? No, I did not. Oh wait, I just lagged out. Oh wait, okay. I'll
Really?
invite you back in. I'll invite you back in. Chill.
Okay. Take a chill pill.
I am a chill pill.
What?
I am a chill pill.
Okay, I'm back. So let me take this. Let me take some coal.
I'm gonna fix myself up with some amazing stuff.
And if you're wondering what my
Oh my god, look at these horrible graphics. This is the worst game in the universe. You can't catch me now. I'm flying. I'm flying. No! You can catch me now. You can make me die. But you cannot persuade me that this game is awesome. Cause it's not, and it's horrible. And that slowed me down. I'm going to jump into the ditch. Oh wait, now I see that was a mistake.
I'm gonna jump into the ditch.
No, you will not make me,
You'll
oh
make
my
me.
god, if I ravine that way.
You're like this. You'll make me. That was the most fakest fall ever. Oh my god, you just found something amazing.
I found a ravine.
Yes.
There could be diamonds in there. I wish this game had diamonds, but it doesn't because it's too horrible and bad.
I hate you.
I almost hit you in there. No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Don't try.
Please don't kill me.
Okay.
Please don't jump.
Wait. You hit.
That's how you get in there.
Wait. Seriously, stop. Wait, you lost your stuff?
I lost my stuff down there. Now I'm going to go get it.
I think it might have fell into lava. You're so bad.
This game.
Oh god. Oh my god.
That is a glitch. I did not actually mean to fall.
Holy nut.
I should have.
Holy nutcracker. This is.
Nutcrackers are horrible. They taste horrible. They are not good enough for.
Okay, I'm gonna take some coal. Get some. How many levels do you have?
How many levels of what?
Levels.
Levels of experience?
Yes. What?
None.
9.
None.
Oh, I have 4.
Oh my god, I just found gold, and it looks like there's a creeper right there. Oh my god, I am being killed by a... Oh, it's you.
It's a Liam.
It's a Liam, and I'm going to push you into the ravine.
Okay, I'll push you into lava then.
No. I'm kidding. No. I will look. Oh my god, it's a baby zombie. They are too fast for me. I'm going to jump off the edge.
I'm out.
Oh wait, I survived
Oh
the
my
fall.
god! Oh my god! I jumped into this epic, like,
No, I'm going to die from zombies.
you have to
because
be-
they are too fast.
you have to
They
be-
are too fast. I found more coal. More coal.
Okay, I killed a zombie and...
Lapis lazuli. I found even more gold
Oh!
and more iron and oh my god, I'm
Okay, okay. People down in the comments, comment about that jump. Comment about that jump.
You need to follow me into this little cave, okay?
That jump was boss. That jump was
Oh
boss.
my god, I am drowning in lava. Oh wait, I survived it.
Okay. Oh my god. If you looked at the recording, you would not believe what you see. You won't even think it's me. Oh god. No, wait!
You were shot to death by a skeleton. Get shreked. Oh wait, no, I'm going to die too. Dang it, I died.
You're so dumb.
Oh my god, it is night. We are going to die.
Wait a second, wait. Why didn't you put keep inventory on?
Because we don't deserve it.
I said put keep inventory on.
But it is too bad and it is not good enough for us.
Okay, guys, comment down below. Say to Brady, put keep inventory on, please. I'm begging you right now. Mercy on us all. Oh, God. Mercy on us all.
I am getting too much wood.
You have to be kidding me. I am in such a bad spot right now. Oh, no. Oh. Did I kill the other one?
Hey.
Gunpowder. I found some gunpowder, and I'm going to get to my stuff right now. This will be... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No!
Did it make sense not to live for fun? Brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much juice.
Wait.
What's wrong with thinking the
Okay.
batteries?
Guys,
You don't go. You never shine if you don't glow.
guys, in the next,
I refuse to die from a little zombie.
Wait, guys.
Oh, wait, is it a little zombie?
Wait, Brady, wait. In the next video, guys, we're gonna put keep inventory on for sure, because this is just outrageous, and I can't stand this.
No, I will not die from that skeleton. I'm going to go this way.
And I am gonna follow you right now
Oh wait,
because.
I found some diamonds. I will.
What?
I was kidding. Okay, I found. Wait, no, it's iron. Never mind.
And I found you.
No, stop. No, stop. Seriously.
My castle.